Hello. Today I have taken an initiative to improve my communication skills. That I will be communicating in front of camera for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes. Actually, I have taken a challenge of 21 days that I will complete 21 days challenge. Um, Recording daily one video, which will be minimum 5 minutes. So yeah, so today I was so nervous that how will I do it, and just I had saw some YouTube videos actually to get motivation, and one of the video which I had saw, it's was of Sandeep Maheshwari. In that, Sandeep Maheshwari actually advised a guy to that if did you have a smartphone. So he said yes, he had a smartphone. Then he said, why don't you record your 5 minute video and publish it on YouTube? It's nothing, nothing from your pocket is losing actually. There is nothing you lose. You will gain something, but you have nothing to lose. So listening to that, actually I have started my own video making challenge. So it is so nervous to me actually. And I'm feeling it. I'm feeling nervous now also. And also I have watched a long session video about communication skill, where Matt Abraham, author, a communicate मतलब a person who has wrote a book called as speaking speaking out without freaking out, by Matt Abraham. So where he has talked about two things. One is that when you go on stage, you get anxious, you get you call it anxiety. I actually don't I'm not able to frame sentences, but I will be trying soon, and I hope I will be doing so well in future days, upcoming days. Mm, so yeah, so he was talking about, firstly you have to be in present and knowing that you are in anxiety, making yourself feeling that yeah you are in anxiety will make it um, aware of yourself that you are anxiety, but you will accept it. Firstly accept it that you are nervous, and you are nervous. Yeah. But still, as you get to know that you are nervous, you don't get distracted. You leave it, instead of getting distracted and feeling that I am getting nervous, and keeping it in your feelings will make more anxiety to you. So firstly he said to greet your anxiety. Then he talked about 4 steps. First step was to don't think like you are going to do everything perfectly. There are things that no one is actually perfect in the world, and he said there is no such a way that you can do everything as perfect as possible, and it is not actually necessary that you should do everything perfectly. So yeah, if you will start doing your first step, obviously your first step will be like a baby who is start walking, but he directly don't start walking. He took small steps, like firstly he will move his body, then he will start flipping his body, then soon as he will try to um, try to move his body and get on his knees, and then he will rise. Like, there is a gradual steps. So it's 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 only for today. I will be trying better for tomorrow, and I will be doing vlogs. This is kind of vlogs. I will be doing 21 days vlog. The first was the introduction video that I will be doing 21 days challenge. Speaking in English. Speaking in English. I am nervous, and I am so confident that I will be doing it better in soon days, and I will be doing 3 to 4 things to get more confident and know how to frame sentences. Firstly, I will doing the vocabulary things, that I should know uh, which words are actually fit for which kind of sentences, and what should be the meaning in that sentences. And then I will be doing how which sentences should be spoken in what context. And third thing, I will be practicing new words. Actually, I am doing MBA finance, so I will be mostly learning one new word related to finance, and these two, the first two were about the English speaking, and the last was finance thing, that I will be knowing a new word related to finance, that I will, like, it's not only about new word. Like, I will be start like from what is business, the word business, then there will be firm, and then what is finance, then what is cash flow, and kind of things. So that's for all for today. See you in next video, I mean tomorrow. Thank you.